those two things are changing right now, boys. I got some smooth side markers, you know what I mean? So let me show you guys real quick. Hold up, let me take it out. There we go. So these are just gonna go zoom, 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 zoom. Boy, if you don't, I had these on my other GTI, and I also got some new, hold up, let me open this, some new bumper reflectors, I guess you would call them, clear ones. I want to see what the clear look would look like instead of having the orange. Might look better, we'll see right now, but let's put these on. All right, boys, if you don't know how to take this out for some reason, you just go oh, and then here you, oh shit, okay, there we go, there we go. This part looking confused me the first time I did it. Hold up, I can't do this while holding the camera. Hold up, let me just squeeze and what the fuck, Nick? Yo, no wonder this wasn't working right now too. Yo, this whole thing is not even fucking, what? Yo, you're tripping. Where the hell does this connect to? Oh no, you're lying, boys, you're lying. It wasn't even working right now too, to be honest. Okay, that's why I recorded on the other side. All right, I'm gonna have to order a whole fucking new thing of these. Wow, that's capping. You know what, for now I'm just gonna put this on there anyways. I'm not gonna connect it, but oh my god, you're lying, boys, you're lying. Is it this way? Oh. Okay, well no, first I guess you put it there first and then you clip it on. There we go. That does not seem legit, but I mean, I guess so. All right, that should be good. Wow, I'm gonna have to order another one. Let me put the other side on though. I believe I got clickbaited on the other side, bro. Hold up, this side's gonna work though because it worked earlier. Let me just take this off. Oh, there we go. You don't reuse the bulb actually though. You take the bulb out. I'm pretty sure it's a twister, or just pull it out actually. Yeah, just pull it out, just pull it out, and then you plug this little thing in there. Boys, I'm actually pissed off. Well, not pissed off, but like, boys, this was supposed to go like my old one, bro. It's not even legit. You're lying, boys. I'm gonna order new ones because I wanted to go but I mean, for now I guess I'll just put these on. Same thing, just pop them out. Definitely don't buy the IJDM. Don't buy the IJDM ones. I'm sorry, IJDM, but I thought this shit was gonna go that's what it said it was gonna do too, bruh. You're capping. All right, these side markers better not be capping on me, dude. I'm already tired of it, bro. I'm already tired of it. All right, it's off. It freaking, this one was broken too. I mean, I'm not surprised anymore, boys. Oh, too many. Oh yeah, clear is definitely gonna look better. All right, so you just put the little light back up in this, just like that, you know, just normal light, normal. Oh shit, goddamn, normal light action. Tuck it in there. Put this side first, I'd say. Probably be easier if you do. Hold up. All right, there we go. Then you clip this side onto there. Oh shit. That one kind of went in deep though. I mean, that's pretty much it right there. I'll probably fix it right now because, oh yeah, that looks way better. Hold up. Compared to this side with the yellow thing, definitely better with the clear. Hell yeah. This isn't too bad, boys. It's not a bad side marker, but I was expecting it to go vroom, 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 vroom. You feel me? But clear reflector is definitely the way to go. Some weight reduction for the bike, boys. No more reflectors, no more front brake. Loki looks a little bit cleaner. I got a new seat coming in. Wait for that video. Over time, this girl's gonna start looking cool, just like this girl. Let's see what you do, mister. What you do?
Crazy, relax.
Oh wait, you put the bull horns now?
with some fucking electrical tape more than the fucking actual grip.
It's all good.
Look at the seat, dude. I need to change that ASAP. Rock.
Oh yeah, because my ass still hurts, dude. Sitting on it for like 2 seconds right there, that shit already hurt.
Look at the brake though.
Yeah. He did get some cum on it though.
Alright, that's it.
Are these good brakes?
Yeah.
I like how this looks. I like this lettering.
Yes, sir.
Last mod to the bike. I already did the weight reduction. You guys see it? You guys see it? Well, I'll probably be doing more mods in the future, but today I'm gonna be putting on a seat, BSD, BMX seat, but fuck it, you know what I'm saying? More comfortable freestyle bike. This is a long ass tube, fool. Not that heavy, but this is way lighter too. That's pretty much what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna lift it up a little bit, but I mean, dude, that seat was garbage. Hopefully this one rides better. Next video we'll probably be out on a ride, another car mod of course, so make sure to come back for that, boys. It looks pretty cool though. I like the little design it has, you feel me? I was gonna get like a plain white one, but I was just like, I'll just get this just so it can like look different type shit, but it's gonna go up a little bit though, don't trip, boys. Bro, it came out pretty cool. Clear bumper marker, it's good. The IJDM ones, I mean, they're cool, but I was expecting to go yum, so I got finesse there. And also this fucker's not even, oh my god, I didn't even realize till right now. God damn, I'm gonna have to order a new one of these so the other side marker could work. I legit got finesse today. I got some clear, okay, the bumper ones are cool, but I take out the side marker and that fucker's not even, the wiring is fucked, so I gotta order a new wiring thing for that. And then the IJDM side markers, the LED ones, I thought they were gonna be like smooth ones, you know, like the ying, but they just blink, bro. So I mean, it's whatever. They still look good. The clear makes up for it because the clear ones look cool on the reflectors. So fuck it. I'll get smooth ones eventually. For now, I'll rock with these. You know what? Not a big deal. I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it, boys. Make sure to sub, boys, because I got a lot of different parts coming in the mail. I just gotta wait till they get here, and the car's gonna end up cool, boys. It's gonna be a process, boys. You know, it's a build, but I'm working on it, boys. So make sure to sub, like, comment, all that. You guys already know. You guys probably do that every single day anyway, so you know what, fuck it. Other than that, boys, I'll see you on the next one.